Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the motor in your Thermomix TM31. Today, we will walk you through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed to tackle this repair. Let's dive in. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a screwdriver set, preferably with Torx bits for the screws, a pair of pliers, a soft cloth for cleaning, a replacement motor compatible with the Thermomix TM31. Make sure to turn off and unplug your Thermomix before starting the repair. Now, let's proceed to remove the base of the appliance. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Remember to keep track of the screws. You can place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base. You may need to wiggle it a bit to detach it from the main body. This is a great time to clean any dust or debris you find inside. A clean appliance performs better, and it's crucial for the longevity of the device. Next, locate the motor. It will be connected to several wires. Take a moment to observe how these wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this setup when installing the new motor. If you're ever unsure, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you understand what needs to be done. Carefully disconnect the wires from the old motor. You can use your pliers here to help if the connections are tight. After disconnecting the motor, remove any screws holding it in place and gently lift it out. Now, take your new motor and align it with the mounting brackets. Secure it in place using the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is tightly fastened to prevent any future issues. Next, reconnect the wires to the new motor. Make sure they are connected in the same way as they were on the old motor. If you're unsure or uncomfortable at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to travel to get help. Once everything is connected, it's time to reattach the base. Align it carefully and push it down until it clicks into place. Use your screwdriver to secure it with the screws. Finally, wipe the exterior of your Thermomix with a soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Now, plug it back in and turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning properly. If it runs smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the motor in your Thermomix TM31. If you encountered any issues or if the motor does not work as expected, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just straightforward service to help get your appliance back in working order. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With these steps, you should feel confident in replacing the motor of your Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.